morning, friends. We are at the Penang Road here. We're reporting live for Spotlight event, and right now, as you can see right behind me, there are 20 Trishaw pullers. In fact, there are 20 over. So we have gathered about 22 or 23 friends just to help out all these Trishaw spooler who have been going through a hard time. And today we're just going to take a short ride on in Penang. We're all Penang nights, but just to help out the Trishaw, we are here gathering 20 people. In fact, I think it's 23 helping up, and each of us are contributing about 30 ringgit just for them today, for their allowance today. So we hope that those of you who are living in Penang, if you feel like you want to do your part for the Trishaw, you want to help them out, all you have to do is to come by here, maybe pay them a little bit more than they deserve so that they can make their ends meet for the day. So follow us, the convoy will be starting very shortly. Thank you very much.